If you took the first Apple Watch Ultra, put it next to the Ultra 2, and then laid it beside whatever iteration came immediately after, you would literally need a magnifying glass to tell them apart. It is the exact same slab of titanium. For years, people have been spending $800 to upgrade their premium wrist gear, only to end up with a device that looks completely identical to the one they just traded in. It is, frankly, the strangest problem in Apple's entire product lineup. The ultimate rugged smartwatch has somehow become the ultimate copy and paste job. But if you have been holding off on buying an Ultra because you are tired of paying top dollar for nothing more than a fresh coat of paint and a slight processor bump, you are in luck. Supply chain leaks have just blown the lid off Apple's secretive development labs, and what is coming is not just another minor update. It is the most radical, ground-up redesign the Apple Watch Ultra has ever seen. And the craziest part about all of this? The specific feature that is going to completely change the wearable industry forever is not even something you will be able to see when you look at the screen. Let us start with the outside, because for the first time since this watch was introduced to the world, Apple is finally changing the iconic silhouette. According to multiple highly credible supply chain sources, including deeply connected insiders over at DigiTimes, Apple is currently in the active testing phase for an entirely redesigned Apple Watch Ultra 4. They are finally stripping away the bulk. Early manufacturing data reveals that Apple's engineering team has found a way to shave down the overall thickness of the watch by a staggering 15%. Now, 15% might not sound like a massive number when you are talking about a car or a television, but on a precision device that sits directly against your wrist bone, a 15% reduction is absolutely massive. It is the difference between wearing a chunky piece of tactical diving equipment and sporting a sleek, futuristic timepiece that you can actually wear to a dinner party without it catching on your shirt sleeve. Beyond just the thickness, they are also completely redesigning the display borders, making the bezels shrink further away into the edges, and overhauling the entire speaker system to perfectly fit inside this new, slimmed-down profile. But this aggressive redesign introduces a terrifying challenge for Apple. The entire reason the Ultra exists, the whole reason it became a cultural phenomenon overnight, is because it feels completely indestructible. It is unapologetically brutalist. It looks like a titanium tank for your wrist. If Apple thins it down too much, they run the very real risk of destroying the rugged, hardcore personality that convinced millions of people to abandon their traditional, fragile smartwatches in the first place. How do you take a watch built for summiting Everest and surviving deep-sea dives, and make it 15% thinner without making it weak? How do you modernize the aesthetic without sacrificing the sheer, brute force durability that defines the entire brand? The answer to that question, and the true secret weapon of the Apple Watch Ultra 4, is hiding right against your skin. The front of the watch is getting a visual makeover, sure, but the back of the watch is getting an absolute technological revolution. According to the latest leaks pouring out of the supply chain, Apple has completely scrapped the current sensor layout that we have been used to for years. Instead, they are developing a brand new, highly advanced sensor architecture. Picture this: a perfectly machined, ring-shaped arrangement housing 8 completely separate, highly specialized sensors. This is a massive, unprecedented increase in hardware capability compared to anything on the consumer market right now. And Apple is not doing this just to pad their spec sheet or have a cool marketing talking point. They are building this massive 8-sensor ring to unlock the holy grail of smartwatch technology. I am talking about real-time, wrist-based blood pressure monitoring. For decades, tracking hypertension has meant relying on bulky, uncomfortable traditional cuffs that squeeze your arm. Even the absolute newest smartwatch tracking methods out there right now usually just rely on long-term trends and software algorithms, basically making educated guesses based on secondary health data. But Apple's new sensor array is explicitly designed to physically analyze the activity of your blood vessels in real time, measuring what is happening inside your body with every single heartbeat. Imagine a world where your watch understands your cardiovascular system so intimately that it can instantly alert you to dangerous spikes or dips in your blood pressure, directly on your wrist, without you ever needing to strap into extra medical equipment at a doctor's office. If health regulators approve this cutting-edge technology, the Ultra 4 immediately stops being just a premium fitness tracker and becomes a legitimate, life-saving medical device for millions of people worldwide. But the incredibly ambitious engineers in Cupertino are not stopping at blood pressure. Industry insiders are whispering that this new sensor layout is actually laying the groundwork for an even more impossible medical breakthrough: non-invasive glucose monitoring. For years, the global tech industry has been chasing the seemingly impossible dream of allowing users to track their blood sugar continuously without the painful daily finger pricks or the need to embed semi-permanent needles into their arms. It is an incredibly difficult scientific goal, practically bordering on science fiction. But reports indicate that Apple is aggressively developing advanced infrared-based technologies that can essentially look right through your skin and read your glucose levels on the fly. While significant technical hurdles still remain, and we might not see the fully realized, medical-grade version of this on day one, the Ultra 4 is the hardware foundation that could finally make it a reality. Even if the continuous glucose monitoring takes a little bit longer to perfect behind the scenes, the Ultra 4 is already shaping up to be the most critical, must-have wearable upgrade in a decade. But there is still a massive elephant in the room. A glaring, fundamental question that Apple absolutely has to answer before they put this watch on store shelves: battery life. The biggest selling point of the Ultra for outdoor athletes, hikers, and marathon runners has always been its ability to simply outlast every other Apple Watch in existence. But let us look at the basic physics here. Apple is making the watch 15% thinner. They are cramming an entirely new 8-sensor array into the back. They are pulling enough power to constantly monitor your blood pressure in real time. More sensors and less physical space inside the casing almost always equals a battery disaster. And while Apple fans fiercely love the Ultra, the hardcore endurance athletes are still looking over the fence at companies like Garmin, who build dedicated, utilitarian fitness watches that last for weeks on a single charge, not just days. This is the ultimate hardware design dilemma. Can Apple deliver these game-changing, real-time health upgrades, thin out the titanium chassis, and somehow miraculously still extend the battery life to beat out Garmin? We are not going to know the final answer for sure until Apple takes the stage to officially unveil the Apple Watch Ultra 4 later this fall. It is a massive gamble for the most valuable company on Earth, but if they pull it off, it will permanently rewrite the rules of wearable technology forever. What do you think about this massive design overhaul? And which of these crazy new health features are you actually most excited to use on a daily basis? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.